Hey everybody, I'm the hiking chef, and today we are in the John Muir Wilderness hiking to Little Lakes Valley and to Jim Lakes. We're gonna do about 7 miles total round trip. I can't wait to show you guys Little Lakes Valley. We're up here in the high Sierras. The trailhead starts off above 10,000 feet, which puts it at the highest trailhead in America. I heard this trail is beautiful, you guys. I can't wait to show you. I'm with my good buddies, Sherman and Andy. Remember, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go check it out.
Especially if you're not used to. Yeah. I think we go this straight ahead.
You guys, we hit a fork in the road. We're gonna stay left to Little Lake Valley, and we should have a good view of Rock Lake next. It should be just right to the left, and then Marsh Lake, you guys. I can't wait to check this out. let's check it out, you guys. Surrounded by it.
It's like we're up like 10,000 feet, but we're surrounded by mountains that are even higher.
There's so many trails, though. I'd almost be tempted to try a different one.
Yeah.
I just thought I'd take you guys over here.
No, but I agree. I've never been here. This is great. First time for me.
Gorgeous as always out here, but right now we are passing Marsh Lake. So we got about 3 or 4 more lakes to go. This is beautiful, huh? pretty rad, you guys. So I haven't been up to the Sierras before. It's my first trip and I knew it was gonna be great. But I guess you just have to kind of be here to really experience the magic of it. And I'm sold on it right now. So I'm pretty sold on the Sierras and I'll definitely be coming back. But until then, let's continue on here in Little Lakes Valley. This is the third lake right here. I believe it's called either Black Lake or Rock Lake. So we're gonna keep on trucking along here.
There's no bad view. Have you been here before? Oh wow.
We are coming up onto Long Lake. Like-minded people. I think that goes to the other lake or something. That's so cool. Wow. Oh yeah. This is the spot. Jim Lakes. All right, Andy, what do you think, buddy?
Oh, just incredible.
It's
Worth
beautiful.
every elevation gain and step. Otherworldly.
Whew. I agree. This is out of this world, you guys. All right, you guys, this is Jim Lakes. All right, you guys, that was Jim Lake. Beautiful. One of the best lakes up here in the Sierras. So thanks for watching, everybody. Right now, we're gonna head back to the truck. Remember, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you wanna see more hiking and cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next week.